Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. It's me, Muhammad Alibi, and today we're going to do another video regarding CCNP. And for today's tutorial, we're going to do the most simple form of EIGRP filtering, which is called distribute list. So we're gonna continue our lab on the basic configuration of HRP. After you configure the base form of HRP, we're gonna do a bit of configuration adds from the distribute list module. So let's first configure our basic HRP in our router. By the way, I'm using FreeNetLab for today's video due to EFA server being down for the time being. So the UI is gonna be different. Okay. Wait a sec, guys. It's still on load. Patient. Just skip the video until the part where I'm doing configuration. Okay, router 2 is on. Pro is router 1. Router 1 is not responding. Wait, let me reopen it. Okay, good. So I actually did a bit of configuration accidentally off cam. Let's see the IP that I added. Oh, it's 12 on E00. Okay, 12 of which is this part of the router one path. Okay, it's already have. Okay, I haven't added the loopback though. What? That's add the loopback. So interface LO0. Okay, IP add 1111. Okay, and then add the subnet mask, which is 255 all the way according to the module. And then we're gonna go to the second router. Enable configure T. And then we're gonna add the IP. Oh, I almost forgot the interface. E00 first. IP add 12 12 12 2 255 and then 0. Don't forget to turn it on by using no shutdown, guys. Wait, have I already no shutdown the other one? Let me no shutdown the other path. Exit E00. Okay, now it's good. Turn on. What we're gonna add the loopback for the second route. It's LO0, and then IP add 2, then subnet mask slash 32, I think. So it's 425 all the way. Now the third route. Okay, enable figure T. Now the face. Oh, my bad, guys. Let's go to the second route first. We haven't configured the other routes for router 2. Set face E01. Now shutdown. IP add. Okay, so it's this port. So 23.1, and then 255 and 0. Right, loopback already turned on for second route. So we're gonna go to router 3, face E00, IP add 23, 23, 23, 2, 255 and 0. Okay, now add the loopback, IP add 333.5.5. Okay, once we already add the IP, we're going to start adding the EIGRP. Okay, exit router EIGRP 10. Yeah, the EIGRP 10. Now we're gonna try to advertise the network of each router. The network is based on these IP, so don't need to worry. So if you're using IP, if your path is using IP 12.12, you just need to add this the network, the domain of the route. So network 111. Now this is the loopback first of router one. Now we're gonna add the 12.12.12 0. Okay, get already. Now we're gonna add the no auto summary protocol to it. Okay, router one is finished. Now I'm gonna add the router job P10 on the 2 network to 2 network 12 and 0. Double check so that there's no human error. Now we're gonna add the other we're gonna add another advice on another 2 due to it using 2 network. We're gonna add both of them so it knows both path both neighbors, I think. Okay, already added. Don't forget to add the no auto summary. Okay, good. Now the third route. Uh, network. Okay, network 0. Okay, good. Now no auto summary. Okay, all of it is done. Oh yeah, don't forget to check the IP route to make sure that uh, all of the route is being listed in it. That means all of it are active. So CGDCLD, CGDCLD. Okay, it should be like this. Alright, we're gonna go to the distribute list module. We're gonna add we're gonna add access list on router one so that the when we see the table, it is already being adjusted so that it's on a more simpler state, not like the ones that are like this. Wait, our internet is kind of bad right now, so uh, it's a phone. That's a bit off, so a bit of waste. Okay, all right. Do show IP route. My bad. Okay, so this is the form that are not simple yet. We're going to try to simplify it uh, using the first form, the most simple form of access list, which is the distribute list. So the command is access list, strip list, access list one. Then we're going to try uh, to deny network 222 to uh, to not be listed on the actual IP route. So you can actually uh, remove a certain network in the IP route table by using this by using this method. So it is actually the most simple ones. By doing this, by using this method, is it's actually not it's not a dynamic type of access list. So you gotta you gotta remove the network that you don't want to see one by one by using this method. So in here we're gonna try to remove network to network back of router 2, and this doesn't mean that the router network is not advertised or it will gone. No, it only it's only gonna remove the network 222 from appearing on the actual IP route. So it's not gonna be gone on the actual configuration itself. So access access deny. Oh, my bad. Go on to. Okay, we already denied the 2.2, and then due to this due to we already make the system is the same as the if if and if algorithm in coding. So if you made a certain uh, a certain string of configuration using access list, this is the first thing that you made, and then you gotta close it with permit any so that it's gonna execute later on, so that the actual the actual configuration itself can execute. So if you only make one if you only make this kind of command, and if you don't close it with permit any, it will not execute. Like, so it's the same, almost the same as if algorithm in configuration and in coding, such as Python and other things like that. It's not my territory, but it's the same as that. So access this one and then add permit any so that it the actual commands, the actual string of configuration itself will run. It's the same as no shutdown on access list. Okay, now you can try to now we can try